Do you ever thought of recovering contact once you delete it? Or do you ever thought of get anyone's contact number who are your friends in Facebook? Yes, you can do that. You might be thinking how this can be. Oh, it's pretty easy. In this episode we're gonna talk about recovering contact. Here we go. First, log into Facebook. It seems pretty easy. Now just type your password. Here I have typed my password, you do your own. Let me tell you that you must have Messenger installed in your phone or desktop, or that you must log in with Messenger once in your life. Once you successfully log in with your Facebook ID, just enter the link in your browser. Facebook.com web link. Oh, don't forget to check the URL in the description below. Once you go to the link, you will see a long list of contact. The contact that you want to reveal, just click on it. When you are angry, your brain works less than your mouth. If you break up with your crush, more chances are that you likely delete your crush's contact number. When everything settled down, you longed to talk with your crush but you have no contact. It also happens that you might delete your contact unknowingly. Further, your child might delete your contact. More interestingly, you can also find a long list of contacts to whom you have talked with your phone. I hope I have successfully solved your problem. Don't forget to watch other videos of our channel, and that's it. If we have solved your problem, subscribe if you like. See you soon. Hey, this is Vertex and I am signing out.